Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Priyanka and today is the day 2 in Phuket. So this is a common vehicle which we have taken right now. We've just decided to explore the city. So it's like a half day tour which I have taken. I didn't want to exert myself since I'm traveling with my child. So I didn't want to go ahead with the full day tour. Of course there's an option. It depends upon individual what you want. So we started off with a half day tour and the first point was the elephant center wherein you get to feed the cute little elephant with bananas. There are like around 5 bananas which you can feed him, small size bananas for 100 baht, and it was very cute. We were all clicking pictures with him, feeding him, and he also gave me a kiss at the end of the session. Like once it was over, it was a cute little kiss which he gave me, which will come up in the video very soon. Around 5 elephants which were here, but the baby elephant was being fed today, and I think there is a ride also which you can take at an additional cost, because as you can see the elephant has a small seating on him, and the person is cleaning the elephant. So definitely this was a kiss which I was talking about. It was very cute. Then after seeing the elephants, we headed off to another place called the bee farm. Now all these places were around 10-15 minutes away from each other, so the half day tour was pretty worth it. So this is the bee farm which we entered. It's like you can purchase honey. He was talking about giving us details about the honey, the types of honey, then how it is made and everything. So kind of just like a briefing kind of about the honey given to us. You can also buy the products once you are done with the session. He will explain you, and then he will also give you a tasting session wherein you can taste the different kind of honey available at this store, and then you can decide if you would actually want to buy. Now this is a small seating area outside which was very cute and nicely decorated, as you can see, with mushroom seats and strawberry seats. This is the entrance and the shopping center where you can buy the different kinds of honey. And after tasting, this was the explanation that he was giving about the different types of honey. Was small little cafe outside the honey farm, and the seatings were very cute, and the doors were also printed in the form of bees. Then after the bee farm was done, we headed over to the cashew factory. Again 10 to 15 minutes drive, which was not that much. So this is the cashew factory which we entered, which has a big cashew at the entrance of the factory. Now here they were actually talking about how the cashews are made, how many hundreds of cashews they do per day, which was very difficult. I don't know how she's peeling each and every cashew individually, which took a lot of time. You also get to taste the cashews and again buy the cashew of your choice. Then this is a small supermarket outside the cashew area. Once you're done with the tasting, you can buy the clothes, souvenirs for your friends and family. And the last one was a jewelry center, but I was not allowed to shoot this. As soon as someone saw me shooting it, they had told me to just shut my camera off. So from here you can buy the precious stones if you wish to, and also you can, it's kind of an exhibition, you can just have a look. And there are a lot of things coming up in the next video of the half day tour, so stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.